Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna show you another new integration that we worked on last week. So this integration with this new QuickChart integration, you can create dynamic charts like this for your chatbot use case. For example, you want to generate a graphical view of some data from the chatbot. You can use this integration. It's currently free. You can try installing it. Just install and save it, nothing else you have to do. Once you've done this, go inside the chatbot. Let's have a quick overview of how it will look like inside the builder. Let's open the chatbot builder. Let me create a new flow. Let's call it QuickChart. So with this integration you can build charts, like that's the main idea. So if you click on action block, you will find under integrations you can find QuickChart. So you can click on it. You can click on edit action. Here are multiple few actions that currently supported. If you want to create a simple chart, you can go with this option. Click on it. You can select the chart type. What is the type that you want? Let's go with the bar chart, and here you need to provide the label. Let's go with something like revenue. And in the label for in the x-axis, what is the label it should have? Let's go with this one, Q1 Q2. You can follow this sample data that we given. It will get a better idea. So now you need to pass the numeric values, like what all values you want to find. We have to set Q1 Q2. Let's pass 400 500 two values. Here you can leave this empty if you don't want to make any changes. Now you need to map this into a variable. Let's create a variable, chart image. I have a variable here. I'm selecting this. Click on save. Now let's have a look at how this chart will look like. So let's use a send message and rich media, or you can go with the chart, this card also. So here you can provide the URL that we just created. I mean the variable that we created. This variable will have the URL, so it will be mapped into this field. And let's type some text here also. Now let's publish and let's preview this. Okay, let's wait for the endpoint to generate the chart. Now you can see we got a chart image. You can see. Let's do one thing. Let's add this full view chart, and let's click on this option and image. Open the URL. Then let's pass the variable here so that we can open it in the browser. So let's save this, publish it, and let's preview it again. Again, let's wait for the endpoint to generate. Now you can see view chart. It will open in the browser. You can see this is a chart that we just created. So in the x-axis we give some value, Q1 Q2. That value is there, 400 and 500. This is the value that we give. Based on that, chart has been generated. So now let's head back. Let's head back and let's make some changes. Let's add a couple of values, Q3, Q4. Okay, my bad. Okay. Now here let's add values for that also. Now let's save this again, publish, preview. Now you can see no chart has been created. As you can see, this is the chart value that we are getting. So this way you can build your own charts using this integration. So in this integration we have my bad, let's go to integrations. In here, QuickChart, we have other actions. You want to create little more advanced data, that also you can try it out. Or if you want to create diagram, graphical diagrams, flowchart kind of thing, that also we supported. These are the few actions you can feel free to play around. So feel free to try it out. So one other thing, this integration also, if you want to, in order to use this endpoint, is generating a image type, like directly an image file is generated. If you're trying to use directly, it won't work. For the first before installing this mini app, you should have an S3 storage enabled. Go to your integration tab. From here you can find S3 storage. Go here. We have already previously done tutorials on it, how to connect your own S3 storage. So S3 storage is a cloud storage in which you will be able to store any data generated on any of the integration that we are using S3 storage. It will directly get upload the images or whatever data is generated on the platform. It will be directly uploaded to your cloud storage. From there the image will be loaded. So like that, make sure you have this integration, then only this integration will supported for you. Otherwise the image URL will be empty. So one another use case you can build in Rapidbott is collecting analytics. For example, you have a workflow, you know how many people are going through each flow, so that you can create custom goals. So here you can see in content, you can create custom events. So you can select events, or you can set up how many people clicked on a specific button, or how many people went through a flow. Using all this information, you can do using custom analytics. You can create your own custom events and analytics. In the future tutorials, we will explore this use case. In that way, this will be very useful for you. Like you can generate graphical charts about how many or what is your current workflow, or how many usage is happening, or how many users are going to a specific campaign. All these things you can do with this integration. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions or any doubts, you can feel free to reach out to our support, or you can check out this integration. We also have a documentation. Here you can see, if you click on learn more, it will directly take you to our documentations page as well. You can explore the documentation, get an idea how to pass the sample value and everything, how each actions work. You can check it out. It will give you an idea. So that's it for the video. Thank you.